What's going on, Fit Bees? Welcome to today's video. I apologize if I still have boob sweat. I just worked out. Today I wanted to make a drink concoction that I've been actually wanting to make for a while. This recipe is great, especially if you have an event coming up or if you just want to have a detox, especially in the beginning of your fitness journey or whatever phase you're in your health and fitness journey. Usually I drink this recipe a week prior from a photo shoot, when I go to travel, typically just events where I just want to lose like maybe 2 to 3 pounds. All that is water weight. So this is great to flush out the water weight so you look nice and tight. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, this is such a simple recipe. You just need 3 things. Dandelion root tea. This is an organic and natural herbal tea, which is gonna be the main ingredient for pulling out water weight, on top of cranberry juice and lemon. There really is no specific instructions of what ingredients to add first. We're just gonna go with it and figure it out. We have a knife, we have a lemon squeezer, so we have a pitcher. What we're gonna do, we're going to add some lemon juice to our pitcher. Oh, this is like a perfect pitcher for this. Yes. Gotta use those muscles. Little trick I realizing this, when you turn it to the side, there's more. I would recommend a minimum of 2 lemons, but I love the taste of lemon, so I'm doing like 2.5, and then one of the halves, I'm gonna cut it up so I can like put the slices in to make it look pretty. This recipe is really good if you're not a fan like myself of the detox, like lose weight drinks. This is all natural. You don't have to worry about getting those weird jitters. I don't know if it was just me, but every time I drank like the detox teas and stuff like that, I would get jitters and I would honestly feel so sick. Once I started making this, I'm like, I'm never going back to those. And I feel really good drinking this. Okay, and then with the last half lemon, I'm just gonna cut up a few slices to make the drink look more prettier. Let me know if you've ever tried the dandelion root tea, because I know I always tell it to like all of my friends like in person, especially the ones on like their health and fitness journey, because I've been using this for years. I know my friend, a week before her wedding, she drank this every day and she looked so good. Okay, next we're going to add the cranberry juice. Typically I only put like a few tablespoons, but I'm not really going to measure out with this. Just make sure you get no sugar added cranberry juice, because cranberry juice pulls out water weight. I don't know if you guys know that, but now you know. Yeah, so be sure to try to find the no sugar added. There is natural sugars in it, but we don't count those on this channel. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I'm so excited. We're gonna add water. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty. And then we're going to add 2 tea bags of the dandelion root tea. This will brew in the fridge. I like to do that. I know if you're in a rush, you could probably heat up the tea or make the tea and put it like in a little cup and then like pour it in. But I've always just made it as a, would you call this a cold brew or something like that? I don't know. I let it sit in the fridge. I would say wait an hour or so, and then you could start drinking it. I'll make it the night before, so that way it brews overnight. Yeah, this is so pretty. Wait, let me clean up real quick. Okay, and voila, that was super quick, super easy. We're just gonna let this brew in the fridge overnight, and then I can drink it tomorrow. Depending on how big your container is, you can kind of play around with how many like tea bags you want, how many lemons you want. The world is your oyster. If you do not like the taste of dandelion root tea, because I know a lot of people have a very unique taste bud. I personally like it, but I know a lot of people don't like it. You can add Crystal Light powder into this concoction and you don't even taste the tea, kind of to give it a little bit more flavor, but I have this just in case I want more flavor to it. You don't have to if you don't want. Highly suggest if you seriously like do not like the taste. I think with all the lemon juice and the cranberry juice, it's actually very refreshing. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in to today's video. Let me know what you think if you do make this, and until next time, peace. Ooh, I'm gonna look so good.